Hello guys, welcome to Data Hacks. In this video, I'm going to explain about combined reducers in Redux. Combined reducer is a utility function provided by Redux that allow you to split your reducer into small and more focused reducer functions. Each small reducer handle a specific slice of your application states. Advantages of using combined reducers are maintainability, separation of concern, scalability, and testing. Simply, if we are going to use one single reducer, it will become more hard to maintain and scalability testing. So we are going to separate the one single large reducer into multiple small reducers so we can maintain easily, understand the functionality of the reducers easily. We can see this in an example. Here we have the reducer for cake. Next I am going to create a constant variable for ice creams. Instead of cake, ice cream. Replace the second one also. So now we have two variables. One is for order and restock for both cake and ice cream, and change the string values also. After changing this, I am going to create a action creators. Before that, here restocking action creator and ordering action creator. Here we have the restocking action creator with dynamic value. I am going to change this ordering value also to be a dynamic one. So replace this and provide here. In reducer also we have to change like this. So the value will update dynamically. And now here the action creators for cake is ready already there. I am going to copy them and paste, change them to ice cream. Ice cream and paste here also ice cream. And here I am going to change the created constant from cake to ice cream. So here we have action creator for ice cream ordering and restocking. Copy this action creator and combine them in the here in the bind action creator. Next, copy the second restock for ice cream also and paste here. Next, finally, we have to update the switch case. So copy this switch case and provide here ice cream order constant. So copy this variable and replace here inside the reducer. So inside reducer we have operations for cake, we have operations for ice cream, but the value here is cake. So I'm going to provide initial value total ice cream 20. So I'm going to provide here total ice cream. For ice cream, change to ice cream. And format the code. So here you can see the reducer, action creators, and the variable which we are using. Finally, I am going to call the actions and replace ice cream. I am going to replace the cake with ice cream, and before that I have to order the ice cream for multiple times. So ice cream, and finally for this one also we are providing ice cream. And I'm going to open the terminal, debug console, run. So now we can see the results here. You can see first we have the cake order action, it's reduced, second time, third time, and fourth time will be restocked. First time, second time, third time, 3 order has been reduced 111 and restocked, and the total cake is 10. And here you can see that values reduced for each order from ice cream, and here you can see the ice cream has been restocked. Now I'm going to implement the combined reducer. The issue is we have here multiple switch cases which will lead to confusion in large scale application. So I'm going to create initial values cake. The same way I'm going to create another initial value ice cream. In ice cream I'm going to remove the cake value. In cake value I will remove the ice cream initial values. So here I will change this reducer to cake and copy the whole reducer. Provide again, and this reducer now we have is cake. Change to ice cream. Ice cream. So inside ice cream, remove the switch cases of cake. And in the top we have the cake reducer, so remove the ice creams. And change the initial values. Copy the initial value, provide here. Copy the initial value of ice cream and provide here. So we have two individual reducer. If we in future if we are going to increase the product also, it will be easy to handle to perform each operation here, but we have given single reducer. So how we can provide the reducer in store? For that, create a variable root reducer redux dot combine reducers. Inside I'm going to provide cake, and I'm going to provide the value as a cake reducer. Cake reducer, and provide here, comma, ice cream. Get the value ice cream reducer, assign here. Next I will get this root reducer and provide in a create store. Now in this way we can increase the number of reducers as much as we want here. Again, after storing the root reducer in the store, the subscriber will listen to the events, and here the actions will be combined. Next, here the actions will be triggered. Again, open the terminal, go to the debug console, run again. Now we can see the results. So here we couldn't see the values. For that I'm going to provide particular object here. So I am providing cake here with this cake, so we can see the updated value of cake. So run again. You can see the values updated after each time. Next, if we change to ice cream, we can see the updated value. Ice cream, debug again. You can see the values here which are updated one by one. If I remove this particular key, it will show the values of both cake and ice cream here like this. So this is how the combined reducer will work. It will combine the multiple reducer as a single reducer, so we can manage the reducers for each product separately without any confusions. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel. You will get the updates regularly on time.